wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Millie. So guys, it's the weekend and I'm on the road because I'm going camping. So I'll be going camping in Fort Jacques in the Soufriere area, and we're going to be doing the whole works, the whole no electricity, no water, tents outside kind of vibe. So I'm really excited for that. This is my first time camping out. So yeah, so we're on our way now. We're already in PI, and I will take you guys along with me. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys later.
Lucky, I'm blessed. I was born in the land of the West. Me stand proud and big up my chest. St. Lucia, it's a real vibe, it's real nice. Do times get up, we sit back and chill. Because we are a resilient nation. We can and we will. It is. Tell them say it is what it is. I'm chilling in the land of the West Indies. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, so I am at the camping sites, place where I'm gonna spend the next 2 nights, and let me show you all the tents. See the tent here, and it's really pretty. So remember I told you all there is no running water, there's no electricity. I'll show you the bathroom makeshift thingy that we're gonna be using whilst we're here. Okay, so these are the washrooms that we're going to be using whilst we're here. Let's see what they look like. Okay, so they're not gonna be your fancy washrooms, but at least they're flushing. I guess it's water from the pump that they have. So yes guys, this is it, and this will be our outside shower. You know, real natural vibes.
This one's called Silver, Brownie, Snow White. And I don't know that one's name or the other one's name. Or that one. That's Ginger's mommy. And I don't know the rest.
Okay, so we have... Okay guys, so Abigail told me you use this, you have to blow it once and then make a wish and your wish will come true. So let's see. Yes! I don't know. As you can see, there are many beds of cabbage, lettuce and other vegetables. Cucumbers as well. So yeah, it's really windy, and the wind is kind of chilly, and I was told in the night it gets really cold. They actually compare it to the chills when you're in
long sleeve.
America. So Abigail is showing you all what you'll need.
A vest if you want.
You don't have to put it too close. Don't put it too
and
close.
And a jacket.
If you grew up in St. Lucia, you'll remember this. We used to call that bread and cheese growing up when we were in primary school. So I saw Abigail was eating it, so I guess it's still a thing. Children still eat that. So let me taste it and see. Bread and cheese. It stays the same, just like I remember it. I was told that people make wine out of this as well. The kids showed me the red bread and cheese. I never had the red one growing up, so maybe I should taste the red one. Let's taste the red one. You're not going to die, okay? You don't have to wash it. We're in the forest. To me, it tastes the same.
For me, it tastes different.
Okay. Well, alright. So guys, this is what lunch looks like in the calabash. Guys, okay guys, we're trying this again. We actually had to go all the way back to the south because I came earlier and I came in the morning because I thought we were going to a waterfall, but plans changed because the weather was not so great. It was really chilly and Simbers had to bring back the clothes and Simber forgot, so we went back all the way to Viewfort. Oops, the sun. Okay, we went back all the way to Viewfort and now we're on our way back to where we were camping. It was kind of a good thing because I was able to take a warm shower home because of course there's no warm water, so that's a good thing. It's already getting dark. It's like minutes to 6, 20 to 6, so we're going back to where we're camping. So yeah, so guys, this is the entire bag that Simon forgot home and that's what we had to go back to get. I have my this cardigan over because my friend who was there from last night told us it gets really chilly at night, like springtime chilly. So yeah, so we're just going back to join the rest of the persons and yeah. Hey guys, so it's Saturday, it's like mid-morning and we have the food on the fire, on the coal pots and stuff. We're waiting for that to finish cooking and we're gonna go on a little hike and then to the waterfall. So whilst I wait for everyone, I just wanted to tell you all some of the things that you may need if you want to go camping. So of course you need a tent. This is a small tent, like for 2 persons. Let me show you all. This is me in the tent. Me in the tent. Oh, y'all can see. So anyways, you need a comforter because it's really cold here. But if you're camping here, if you're ever interested in camping here, you need a comforter. You need long sleeve clothing, at least in the evening, because it gets really cold. What else? Of course, there's no electricity, so you need lights that are powered, like solar lights. You also need coals, you need coal pots so you can cook your food, because of course, how are you going to survive? What else? You need proper shoes if you want to go hiking. Of course, everybody knows that already. Of course, you need your water. There is some sort of water catchments for the toilet, so they could flush and you could shower. But in terms of water for you to drink, you could drink spring water from the springs if you like, but I mean, it's all up to you. What else? So it's really cool here. The cost, Louise, what's the cost again? The cost?
It depends. If you have your own tent, it's $25 a night. If you want to rent a tent, you have to speak to Wilbert.
Okay, so if you didn't hear her, it is, if you have your own tent, it's $25 per person, and if you don't have your own tent, you will simply have to contact the owner, and you could gladly have a tent rented to you guys, like this tent. We rented this tent out. So yes guys, it's really nice out here. There is Louise doing some whole cane harvesting right there. So yeah, it's really cool, it's really quiet. So guys, we're actually in the rainforest. Yes. We're literally in the rainforest. So if you've ever done the trail, like the Degatia trail through the Derso area, you would have passed through this area. So it's really cool, really quiet. And yeah, so we're gonna go take a short hike before we go to the waterfall, and I'll take you guys along with us, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so we've just climbing this little hill, taking this little trail to get some really beautiful photos and a nice view. Okay, don't mind Louis round bum bum. just enjoy what I'm showing you guys. So yes guys, that's why I said make sure you have proper shoes for that. So yeah, so guys, this is one of the pieces right here. I hope you could see it. It's a bit hazy, but it's right here. Such a beautiful view, right? There's more to see coming right up. Don't forget, you have to be fit. I'm just joking, you don't have to be fit. But you cannot be a complainer if you're going to do that, right?
Right.
Right. Okay. Wait, let me see if I can run up. So guys, on the way there, I showed you one of the pictures. So this is Pity Pito. And Go Pito is kind of hiding behind there. I'm not sure if you could see it right here. So Go Pito, Pity Pito. So persons hike, if you've ever been to St.Lucia, persons hike up both of the pitons, but mostly Go Pito, because Pito is much more difficult. But of course you could always try. So it's really windy in here, like really cool. So I can imagine the water from the waterfall is going to be really cold. down, I mean. But 45 minutes climbing up these things, just going up these stairs, nah, it's not easy. So if you want all of the information of how to get there, I'll give it to you, but I'm definitely not taking you. You will go by yourself. Guys, if you can anybody remember eating this when they were young? Louis just reminded me of that. Oh Jay, I scared to taste it. Just bite it. It's really sweet.
Yeah, it's really sweet.
Hey guys, I remember eating it when I was very young. Really soon. Being here brings back so many childhood memories. Hey guys, so it's the final day of the camp at Grand Eden Estate. It was really a wonderful experience. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. I put some information in the vlog if you're ever interested in camping at Grand Eden Estate. And yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share, and until next time, bye.